at the golf carts, like buried over there. And look at this. This is like a swimming pool out here, you guys. Wow. This one's all blocked off too. Oh yeah, we swimming in that. Look how deep it is. That's crazy. I've only seen it like this a couple times. Look all the way down through there. It's flooded. All the way back to that, where that caddy's sitting. Yeah. Oh, look at that charger. Oh my God. It's like, it's like covering the bottom part of the tire. That's crazy. Nope, you ain't going that way. That's wild.